Hey, I want to show you something really cool. Check this out. $1,035.94 in just 24 hours. The best part is I made this on complete autopilot during the weekend when I was having fun with my family. And I didn't have to spend anything on traffic. I didn't have to send out any emails. I didn't have to use Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Pinterest. And I definitely didn't have to use any of that one-click software. We all know how well that works. Frankly, it's junk. You're sick of it? I'm sick of it. We're all fed up with the BS. So I've decided to take things up a notch and deliver a completely brand new way of making money online. That's making us money every single day, like this. This. And this. No weird loopholes, hacks, or tricks. No push-button BS. Instead, it's all possible by tapping into the $9.1 trillion e-commerce industry. But with a little twist. We don't set up any Shopify store. We don't sell anything on Amazon. We don't sell anything on eBay. We don't sell affiliate products. We don't keep inventory in a warehouse. This is something that's never been done before. Instead, we create high-converting 3-step super e-com funnels that sell any products, convert 10 times better, and are more profitable than the normal Shopify stores, Amazon, eBay, and WooCommerce. It's all possible with Proto. Proto lets you tap into the $9.1 trillion e-commerce revolution and crush e-com without a store and without any competition. In a way, these super e-com funnels are like you having your very own mini eBay or Amazon, but it's better because you have zero competition from them. You don't have to compete with the hotshot sellers with decades of experience and million-dollar marketing budgets. And listen, with Proto, a 12-year-old could set up these super e-com funnels. Let me show you how straightforward it is. All it takes is just a few minutes to set up your very own super e-commerce funnel. When you've clicked the button below and picked up your copy of Proto, follow these steps. Step 1. Enter your e-com super funnel name. This can be anything you want. Step 2. Choose a product category. We'll give you multiple categories. This can be anything you want. Step 3. Hook up your PayPal/Stripe account. This will allow you to begin receiving payments. Step 4. Activate your super e-com funnels. When you do, congratulations. Your high-converting super funnel is now active. Now you're probably wondering, where does the traffic come from? That's a great question. Don't worry, we've got you more than covered. Instead of having to rely on paid ads or creating content, these 3-step e-commerce super funnels tap into our monstrous 375 million plus hot buyers traffic, and it also features auto-ranking technology. That gets your super e-com funnels in front of tens of thousands of Google users. They find high-volume, low-competition keywords that people are searching for. So whenever people are searching on Google, they'll see your products first. And here's where it gets even better. We pay for the hosting, we pay for the domain, we pay for all the technical costs. In fact, there are no extra costs needed for you to begin making money. Listen, I've been there before. I always hated those systems that lured you in with a low investment only for you to find out that you need to invest thousands of dollars. So I've done everything in my power to make this the opposite. All right, you've seen all the details. You've seen the power of the 3-step Proto super e-commerce funnels and the fact that they take just minutes to activate. At this point, you're probably wondering, what's the price? Well, I sold this proprietary software on a private call to my customers for a one-time investment of $497. Sold like hotcakes, and I didn't receive a single complaint or refund. But listen, times are tough right now. We both know that inflation is crazy currently, so to get this in the hands of as many people as possible, all I request is for you to pay a low one-time investment. The same as a pizza from Domino's or a t-shirt. But here's the catch. This is only available to the early adopters of Proto. We don't want the market to become too flooded with Proto super e-com funnels. If that happened, they'd stop making money. So when we've reached maximum capacity, we'll be forced to close our doors forever. No, this isn't fake scarcity. Don't blame me if you come back later and the page is down. I warned you. So what are you waiting for? Click the bright button below this video right now to get started. When you do, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Here, you'll fill out details like your name, email, and payment information. This will take you just 30 to 60 seconds. And after that, you're off to the races. You'll have instant access to the Proto software. You'll be able to have your very own Proto Super Ecom funnels up and running and getting free traffic from Google search results. Right now, our users are killing it with Proto. Like Beth from Branson, Missouri, who made $304.67 with Proto in just 24 hours. Or Jackson Colton from Sydney, Australia, who pulled in an additional $5,045.95 in passive income with his Super Ecom funnels. Remember, there are no expenses, no technical nonsense to deal with, no headaches to get traffic. We've taken care of everything for you. And if that wasn't enough to take you off the fence, here's the deal. I want to give you a full 365 days to test out Proto, 100% risk-free. Try out all the features, play around with it, have some fun. And if you feel let down for any reason, or if you feel like this wasn't the best investment you've made this year, that's our fault. Just reach out to us, and one of our support agents on standby 24/7 will promptly issue you a refund. It'll be like nothing ever happened. There's no way for you to lose here. The only way you lose is by not giving Proto a try. All right, now you know what Proto is about. You're aware of all the powerful features, the fact that there are zero extra expenses, and that you're backed by our 365-day money-back guarantee. So go on, take the leap of faith. Scroll below this video right now and click the button below to get started while the early adopter discount is still available. I can't wait to see you inside.